In this video, I'm going to show you the updated version of the Precision 2.0 Li by WaterTech. This is a professional cordless battery-operated cleaner that runs off of a lithium-ion battery. And I've been using the Precision 2.0 Li for over 3 years now. And I gotta tell you that it's probably the best tool I have in my cleaning arsenal. And you can see how large the opening is here on the nose cone for debris. And the included bags can hold quite a lot of dirt and debris. And the body of the Precision has been updated. The biggest upgrade is the motor box assembly back here. And I'll show you this battery chamber and how to open it. And this again has been the biggest update with the Precision 2.0 Li. And opening the battery chamber is very easy. You just take this pin and pull it out. Now you can remove the back cover, remove the battery, and you can change it. Okay, then you'll take the back and you slide it on here, and you want to make sure that the arrow is lined up with this white mark here. And to close it, go ahead and push this together like this, and then you put the pin back in. And on the back is the power button for the cleaner. It is powered by this lithium-ion battery on back, and it comes with 2 of these batteries. You should get about 1 hour of use out of each battery. Let me show you what comes in the box with the Precision 2.0 Li. In the box is the owner's manual, and included is this sand silt bag and also this all-purpose bag. Then you have the cleaner's nose cone. Included is a standard vacuum head with wheels. You also have the universal vacuum adapter to connect the standard vacuum head to the Precision. Then you have the fixed vacuum head with the brushes on the bottom. Also comes with 2 spare brushes. Then you have this included shoulder strap for easy transport. And then you have the battery charger, and it comes with the European plug adapter. Also included is this handy car charger for the battery, so you can charge a battery while you're driving. And there are 2 lithium-ion batteries that come with the cleaner. So while you're using one can be charging. You simply line the nose cone up here with these 2 notches and pull back. It'll lock into place. So if you're going to use the fixed vacuum head, you simply loosen up this nut here. Simply slide the vacuum head onto the nose cone like this. You hear it click in. Take this nut, tighten it. Now this vacuum head is ready. You can also use the standard vacuum head. You'll take this universal vacuum adapter, go ahead and loosen that, slide it onto the front of the nose cone, lock it in. Okay, simply clip the vacuum head into the front here. Take this part here, connect it to the vacuum head, and now you can use the manual vacuum head with the cleaner. And so depending on your needs, you can easily switch out the vacuum heads on the Precision. And the cleaner is very easy to use. You simply turn it on and drop it in the water. And the suction power of the Precision 2.0 Li is really great for a battery-operated vacuum. It has no problem picking up leaf debris as well as dirt. You can either use the multi-layer filter bag. I prefer the sand silt bag for pools with a lot of dirt in it. I'll show you also both bags and the debris it gets a little bit later, so you can kind of see the debris that it picks up. It's also a very versatile vacuum. You can use it in your spas, also in water features, in small fountains. You just have to be aware of the limitations of the cleaner because of the size of it. So to keep the vacuum submerged in a small body of water like the spa here, you're going to need about 30 inches of water. You have to keep the vacuum at about a 45-degree angle, which takes some getting used to. But again, it's a very versatile vacuum, and it's great for large bodies of water like vacuuming a complete pool. And you can definitely use it in the spa and on steps with some practice. And here's a look at the debris in the multi-layer filter bag. Typically, this bag is good for leaf debris as well as dirt. If you have a pool with much finer dirt, sand, and silt, you definitely want to use a sand silt bag. The sand silt bag will pick up much finer dirt than the multi-layer bag. Both bags are a great choice with the Precision 2.0. And if the pool has mainly leaf debris, you can definitely use the all-purpose bag. And I really like the fact that WaterTech is always innovating and updating their cleaners. And this has been a great portable battery-operated professional cleaner for me. It has plenty of power. I also like the versatility of having 2 different vacuum heads. And I also like the fact that it comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, so while you're using one, you could be charging the other one. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.